Today let's have a look at the Collage Maker app in Canva. So to begin with, from the Canva home screen, I'll go to custom size and I'm going to choose 1000 by 1000 square. And then we'll go to apps and I'll type in Collage Maker. We'll go for this one here. Now this is a paid app, so I'm just going to show you today what is available in the free version so that you can get started. But if you want to explore it further, then you can upgrade to Collage Maker Pro and you can try it free for 3 days. But to give you a basic idea of what it can do, let's begin by going to text and we'll just add in a word here. And we'll scroll down and you can go to layout. And if you click on masonry build here and click max frames, you can see that within the word you're now starting to get different frames. We can increase the gap or decrease it. Let's keep it on 1. And just to show you how this works, I'll now add that to the design. And within the lettering now we can add in some images of our own. So let's just go back to elements and go to photos. Let's go to see all and just begin to add in any photos you like, really. And what you can do is, if you zoom in, you can actually change how some of these pictures appear. So if you click on the text and say ungroup, you can then select different frames like this one, go to crop, and you can move it around just to align the images better. Might be able to move this one along a bit. To get the person's face in. Now if we go back to the app again, we can go to grid and you'll see that that'll just give you a different selection of frames, so we can change the amount of columns, change the rows, change the size of the gap between the frames, and that just gives you another option of how you can populate the letters with different pictures. If you do this, click on split and then add to design, you'll see that each of the individual letters is now a separate frame. So it's a quick way of getting frames to different letters. Then we'll go back to library at the top here, and this is where we can use some shapes and some letters, but in the free version you can only use the numbers that you see here, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and the letters Z, Y, X, W. You can of course get around this particular problem with the letters by just using the text input like we did just now to make letters like this. Let's just add this W, and you can see that you'll be able to add in different images into that W. If we go to a new page, go back, and we can try some shapes. So we can't use the dogs or the heart, but we can go to basic shapes here, and we'll take something like this hexagon, and we can go to masonry and then just add to design. And again, you can add in whatever kind of photos you want there too. So it could be for a company website or something where you just want to show the people that are working within the company. Again, just ungroup, click on the individual frame to just crop it down to get the area of the image that you want in there. Well, once you've done this, you can select it like this. So select all of the frames, right click, download selection, and you can download with a transparent background. And this is the image that you would get. Of course, you'd want to have all of the frames filled in, but it just shows that you can save it as one object and add it to a design that you want to use. I hope this brief look has been helpful for you today. Please do subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.